It is a welterweight matchup between Diego Sanchez and Anthony Showtime Pettis.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
All right, so the MMA leader back in Montreal tonight. We are inside Bell Center where the hockey fans are making noise for mixed martial arts tonight. This is as good an MMA setting as we have on the entire calendar, DC.
I remember sitting in the back before Josh Koscheck fought George St. Pierre and thinking, wow, the Canadian fans have treated us great this week. But the moment we hit the curtain, you felt the boos. You felt that we were uninvited because they were there to cheer on their guy, George St. Pierre. But look, it's not limited to just him. They cheer all fighters in all great fights in the Bell Center.
Well, he has stayed busy and he has stayed accurate. Nice combination.
Very accurate, a lot of activity, and the hands look phenomenal tonight.
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman. Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one up?
Back and forth we go here.
Look at him working at trying to shut the liver down. Oh!
Oh, straight right.
Use your defense. Use your defense now.
Big kick land.
Some fighters shy away from checking a leg kick. Check that one. Mixes it up nicely in terms of staying heavy and also staying active. Right idea, wrong execution. The left punch misses.
Way to hide that leg kick. Big powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
Pettis going for the body. Missed with that kick. And he landed the right hand there. Just unable to quite find that range. Oh, and there he goes working off that jab again. How's your jab?
I mean, the jab's nice. I love throwing the jab. But you realize that as MMA evolves, guys will start to fight behind a very educated jab. It's just like boxing. The most thrown punch is the first one you learn is a jab. And in MMA, guys are starting to take that same approach because it is such an effective weapon.
Oh, that straight punch was useful, champ.
Multiple times he's used this punch to get to the target.
Oh, combination lands, and it seemed like almost every strike found the target there.
He's so accurate when he decides to attack. It is a sight to behold.
30 seconds to go. Man, he's just got a great feel for the striking realm early in this one.
The timing is on point. He's doing a great job of mixing everything up. Beautiful strike.
Hard shots landing on both sides here. Oh, and he gets tagged. Nice combination there, and might not be a bad idea for the opposition to just tweak that head off the center line. All right, DC, second round is getting underway. Round one, not the round of the year necessarily, but some good in there.
And it's not always gonna be. When you have two very talented fighters, sometimes it's very even. That's what we saw in round number one.
That shot blocked by Pettis. Oh!
What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this moment. Go finish this fight.
Trying to hammer that lead leg. Combinations here.
Let's focus now.
Oh!
Let's go. Kick.
Continues to mix it up, going to the head, mixing in some body shots.
Look at the force behind that leg kick.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
And he's looking for that left hand, just missed.
Nice.
Wow, that right punch has been the money weapon for him tonight, and he landed it again there.
If his opponent does not...
Whoa!
Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad.
So a much different approach for him here in this second round. He was a little bit tentative in round one, a little bit of a feeling out process. Now he has clearly found his rhythm, found the range. We'll see if he can continue with more activity here in round two.
Over and over, he landed his big body.
Nice 1-2 there.
Nice punch lands over the top.
Well, Pettis' lower jaw does not look good. I don't think it's broken, but starting to show some obvious signs of swelling. Man, is he timing his shots well here tonight, DC. It's hard to recall him being this accurate in the past.
I mean, he is so sharp. And not only is he accurate, he's also keeping very busy.
And that, man.
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad. He's getting lit up right now, John. I mean, geez Louise. Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
His misses are entertaining.
Boom! Big jab.
Oh, vicious kick to the outside of that lead leg. You got to start checking these, man.
You got to check these kicks, or you're going to be limping around the octagon very shortly.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Check it.
Oh, nice job defensively there to get the guard up. Shot is blocked by Pettis. Lands a glancing right hand upstairs. So he's really starting to put together some significant body shots here. These are going to take their toll as this fight goes on. Oh! What a fight so far! All right, so back-to-back entertaining rounds. We'll see how it goes in this round. We'll see which corner sort of maximize those 60 seconds on the score.
This is what happens when you get two very skilled, very evenly matched fighters coming together. Nobody has really taken a lead in this fight. Let's see who does it going into the next round.
Oh, a little single collar tie there. Shows him the left and then follows it up with a right. Nice 1-2 punch there by Pettis.
Switch knee lands to their body.
And they separate. Throwing that jab, no good. Well, just as he did the previous.
He's in trouble.
Strong defense there to block the shot. Nice instincts. Trying to establish that jab once again.
Look at him drive his shin into his opponent's body with that body.
Sanchez gets caught with that punch. Don't be afraid to get that head off the center line. Big right hook coming, it's blocked.
He's very tricky when he throws that body kick.
Pettis' lower jaw looking extremely swollen now. Oh, and he lands another strike to the body. Not a ton of real estate there, but he certainly found it.
Real nice body kick lands.
Pettis gets kicked to the body again. Punch coming, it's blocked. Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Oh, he might be out.
Big punch land. What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this moment. Go finish this fight.
Well, it's all pace and pressure down the stretch. He is really lighting them up now.
Oh, he's hurt bad.
Nice liver shot lands. Oh, he might be out.
That right hand hurt him a little bit.
And now he lands a combination. Back to the left hand now, unable to connect. Well, eventually you know he's going to turn this defense into offense, but he's certainly doing a nice job on the defensive end.
They talk about the feeling out process. He's getting his opponent's timing. Now he's blocking everything. Expect counters as we go forward.
Oh!
He's done. He's done.
All right, so as we await the judges' scorecards, DC will look back at his handiwork. He had it all going from a striking standpoint tonight.